In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to use the alignment tools to create new territories in a blank AlignMix map. So here on the screen, you'll see that we don't have any data imported. We haven't created any territories or done anything to this file. It is completely blank. There's a few ways that we can start creating territories. I always recommend starting in the corners and working your way in. So if we are creating territories without any data, you can pick any corner. And there's a few tools that we can use. We can use the Touch Align tool, which when you click and hold with the left button on your mouse allows you to create a brand new territory. And if you hold Control on the keyboard, it will allow you to hug the state boundary. You will notice that in some states, zip code boundaries actually do cross states, and that's okay because that's real. And you'll notice that the most when you go west of the Mississippi River. So let's use the Touch Align tool again to create some more territories. You click, hold, and draw out an area. It's just like finger painting. You click, hold, and drag out. And just like that, we've created 4 territories. So now let's use the pan tool and move to a different part on the map. So let's go here to the central part of the country. Now let's use the lasso zip code tool. And you access that tool by clicking this drop down here, and it's our first option. Clicking that option, you now see our cursor has changed to show the lasso tool. You can now click and hold the left button on your mouse and drag out a shape. As you drag it out, you'll see the red outline is capturing the zip codes that are found in our lasso. When we let go, you'll see a summary of everything that we've selected. And now since we haven't imported any data into this file or created any territories, no data appears. But from here, we can click on the next button and assign that lassoed area to a new territory and click on Next. And that's how you can create a new territory using the lasso zip code tool. So let's try that again. Click, drag out an area, and let go. You see that summary, you click Next, and we can create a new territory. Next again, and you have territory 6. The final way to create territories is to use the circle zip code tool. And you access that tool in the same way we access the lasso zip code tool. You click that drop-down menu, select circle zip codes, and now when you click and drag out that tool, you will see a radius appear for that circle that we are creating. So as you drag the circle outwards, that circle is capturing all those zip codes that are found in that red outline. So that's showing you exactly the area that we've lassoed using the circle tool. When you let go, you will see the same type of summary that we saw when we were using the lasso zip code tool. Click Next, create new territory, Next again, and you can see we've created territory 7. And there you go. You've just learned how to create new territories in a blank AlignMix file.